Folks, look at SharperTrades. The S&P 500 remains green above the 80 MA and 555 support. Below that, we have the 50 SMA and 540. Technicals remain bullish. The resistance remains the same, which is the all-time high back in July of basically 565. Right, so look for the level, retest eventually 570. 579 and 586. Intel has been built in a base. This one is a swing that stopped working on some of those pulls back after reaching the first target. We tightened the stops, that's why it got stopped out. But the base has been building, and now the post market is up. There's some news relating a 3.5 billion announcement of some sort, partnership or something. Anyways, currently breaking above the Friday, August 2nd high. That's 21.98, and then this high from 3 days ago, 22.12. So now there is a nice gap that will try to fill it with this kind of news. Currently retesting, there's a potential for filling this gap partially first, and then possibly the full thing, which could bring to the target of 24, 25.30, 26.70, 28, and possibly this low at 29. The support is the 80 MA. LSCC, this one is a swing today, announced that they got a new CEO, and that's why the market moved up, confirming also the guideline for the next quarter. Looks good. 52 is the resistance. First target is 55, above that 58 and 62. Support. Rather tight for this kind of company because it moves quite a bit. 48, 50, and 47. Unity, the breakout reached the first target at 20.58. Good technicals. We need more green volume to go higher, and a breakout above today high, which comes somewhere around 21.77. Next target 22.70 and 25. Support is a today low, and then the 80 MA. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets, and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1, or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.